Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad, and we're going to look in particular at how history works on the app. If you see here on the screen, when I tap History, it lists the last 99 locations that I visited. You'll also notice that it does it in the chronological order. So you can see that the last book that I was in, these are not alphabetical order, this is chronological order. So the last book I was in Child Guidance, page 150, paragraph 2. And I can just tap on it and it will open up directly, as we can see here, to the paragraph. Now, if I want to go back to history, I can just tap the back arrow and it takes me back to another history location. I could open up Adventist Home and then be reading the book. Now there is another way that I can get to the history, and that is by tapping on my side menu. And then you'll notice that when I'm on the main side menu, it also lists all the same list of history. So I have quick access to that. If I tap, search history, I can come back, tap on the little gear icon, go into settings, tap on here, go to Study Center, tap on here, go to Downloads, tap here, go to Search, go back, and there's my history. So there's a little navigation trick also in the side menu. Now, once I'm navigating around within the history, I may want to actually, delete a book. Not a problem. If you can say, okay, I want to take the manuscript file index, that was actually a mistake, I just tap the X and then I click delete, and that will be now removed from my history. So basically, the history is there. It records the last 99 places that I visited in the app, and I can either come back to it from the side menu or I can load it from the main menu. It's handy right there in the middle of the screen. Thank you for joining another tech tip on the EGW Writings 2 iPad app. Have a nice day, and always remember to every day spend at least an hour in prayer and thought and study, and your relationship with your Heavenly Father will grow to know no bounds. Have a wonderful day.